Hiya and welcome. I was filming some book flip-throughs and then I stumbled upon these bookmarks, so I thought it would be fun to just go through them for the sake of nostalgia and just to share with you guys. I don't know, do you guys remember these ones? Bookie bookmarks. I think I started collecting them in the elementary school and they were handed out for free. And probably in my subconsciousness, I think that they made me want to be an illustrator because I think they're fabulous. The illustrator is Emil Sandgren. Emil Sandgren. I don't know. He sounds Danish, but also Emil Landgren. Sounds Danish, but could also be Swedish or Norwegian. But yeah, I collected all these and I've taken really good care of them, as you can see. So here's the first one, and then if you flip it, here's reading a book here. If you flip it, there's an illustration on the other side, which is very, very well made. Atmospheric. Look at all the little details, the waves and the rain. Here he's listening to records while reading. And then he becomes a rapper. This one. As if the fish is almost looking at him reading. Whoa. What do we have here? Crazy sci-fi illustration. I have a looming character here. We can't really tell who that is. Also reminds me of Matrix. What about this one? Oh. Love the design of the hat. Can you see the long hat there? Flying on a lizard. And some sort of weird character down there, an animal. And then on top of these hills. I think they're amazing. Really amazing. Let's have one more. That's some place to read, huh? Okay, like a Tarzan character. Look the way that he used green as a dominating color. Works really well. At the beach. It also just gives you the feeling of wanting to read. At least it does for me. And really illustrates, look at that. Wow. Searching for the treasure. Illustrates what books really can. They can make you escape into a universe. Completely get lost into a fantastic fictive universe. Let's just take the last one here. I'm guessing this could be sort of like a Dracula illustration on the back side. Let's see. Or more like a knight. So he has to go all the way up there to the castle. I'm guessing since I went in elementary school in the 90s, so I don't think digital tools were that spread out. So I think I have the feeling that these could be made analog, but I could be wrong. Okay, one last. This is one of my favorites, where he's sitting on a big old pile of books See what happens here. It's a bit boring actually. This one. Dinosaur eggs. No, I think actually my favorite one must have been this one. I think this was my favorite one, where he's riding this lizard here. Yeah, let me know in the comments if any one of you out there remembers or even have maybe these Bookie bookmarks. Could also be that they're still in production. Let me know. Thank you for watching, and till next time, have fun drawing.